Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to share my updated skincare routine and as well as couple of products from Oriflame, and I'm going to talk about them in detail and why I love them, and since I've been using them for almost like more than 2 weeks now. Yeah, so I've changed my skincare routine recently, and since the weather in Delhi has become really hot, Oriflame has sent across a hamper that have ingredients from natural origin. For example, they have a lot of natural products, natural ingredients in there, as well as organically sourced ingredients in there. So I'm going to share my thoughts on the range as well as how they perform on me, and a little bit about the range itself. So right, yeah, let's start from the skincare. So for my face, I've been using Oriflame's Eco Beauty range for a really long time now, and I really wanted to share my thoughts with you. The range has a cream cleanser, a toner, serum, lotion, as well as an eye cream. So I am using all the five day and night, both the times, in the morning and the evening. And these products have organic ingredients in there. So let's talk about the first product in the range, which is Oriflame Eco Beauty Cleansing Milk, which has softening and hydrating properties, and it has sunflower seed oil, organic corn flour, water. This product offers antioxidant protection, and I use it like this is the 200 ml bottle, so this will last you like ages. I use it to remove my makeup, which is what I'm going to show you in this clip, and I use it to remove my makeup. It kind of removes all the makeup from my face very gently, very easily, even the waterproof eye makeup. So I use this to remove my makeup, and my skin feels so soft and hydrated after using it. The next step is the toner. So this is the toner. You get like a 200 ml large spray bottle. It has organic rose and organic chamomile that helps soothe the skin. This is for toning and refreshing your skin. This is the second step I follow after using that cleansing milk. I use this toner, and it makes my face so refreshed and nice. I use it twice daily, at least twice daily, and sometimes I kind of use it in between. During the day, whenever my skin is feeling dull and my skin is feeling like stretchy, I use this thing. You can see I have already used this much, so you don't really have to use too much. 3 sprays are more than enough, and this bottle will last you a really long time. I really enjoy this particular product. It has a very nice fragrance, very nice. Like obviously it smells of chamomile. It smells really nice, and it like kind of calms down the skin and calms down your senses, so it's really good. So the third product is Hydrating and Illuminating Serum that deeply moisturizes non-irritated skin and makes it radiant. It has organic evening primrose oil, organic aloe vera, and it is rich in vitamin E. It comes to anti-aging. This is not really like an anti-aging line, but this is a line that hydrates and illuminates the skin. For me, why it is like a really good range, because when your skin ages, it loses the moisture as well as the luminosity. My skin is dry already, and it has been behaving really cranky. It kind of gets dry a lot. I have been using this serum twice daily, again for almost 2 weeks now, more than 2 weeks now. What I like about this serum is that the serum doesn't have a gel-like consistency. It almost looks like and feels like a lightweight lotion. It sinks into the skin almost immediately, and it doesn't leave any greasy, sticky residue on your face. It's nice and hydrating, and it doesn't have a smell, which is a good thing if you are sensitive and you do not like perfumey kind of skincare products. Then this is a really good product, and my skin really feels nice and moisturized. And I like this serum. I use only one pump. I avoid using one full pump. I use like half pump. This works really well. The fourth product is Smoothing and Radiant Face Cream. This kind of gives you healthy radiant skin. It protects skin barrier, replenishes lost moisture. It has lingonberry and sea buckthorn seed oil, which is like high in antioxidants, rich in vitamin and fatty acids. I enjoy the texture of this cream a lot. It has a whipped kind of a texture. You apply it on, it spreads very nicely, it sinks into the skin almost immediately, and it makes my skin so soft, and I don't know, it does something. It kind of makes my skin really soft and smooth, and it hasn't broken me out. None of the products have broken me out because I'm using all the 5 daily. I don't use the cleansing milk twice daily, but I use it before going to bed, and none of the products have broken me out, so they are kind of performing really well. Next up is the eye cream. This is the eye cream. So the ingredients are same as the face cream. It has this kind of narrow nozzle, and you need only a small, like 1/4 or maybe, I don't know, very small amount of this eye cream, and massage it nicely. It sinks into the skin immediately. This is the best thing about this line. It doesn't leave a greasy, oily residue. It immediately sinks into the skin and makes the skin really nice and moisturized. So I'm really happy with the skincare range, and I think it's like really good for people who have dry skin. But I think this range will be suitable for all skin types since it's not greasy or oily. It doesn't make your face sticky or anything, so I think it will work for all skin types. So yeah, it kind of makes my skin really nice, soft and bright. Not bright, but kind of healthy looking. So that's what I love the most about this particular range. So the entire Eco Beauty range is certified organic and paraben free. Every Eco Beauty product is like between 99 to 100% natural, which is amazing because I really love products that are paraben free, that have natural ingredients. This Milk and Honey range has a lot of products. They have the shampoo and conditioner, Milk and Honey hair mask, Milk and Honey sugar scrub, and the body cream. We also have a soap that I've already started using, and it's in my shower area, so I'm not going to show it to you. Milk and Honey range also has a shower cream, which I absolutely love. Range is like really vast, and I really enjoy the products, especially the hand and body cream. It's really moisturizing. I'll show you how much I have used already. Can you see? Yeah, it's that good. It has a very beautiful jelly-like texture. It's not thick as a body butter, and once you massage it on your skin, it immediately sinks into the skin, but it doesn't leave it dry looking, or it kind of leaves a nice moisturizing layer on the top, and I really enjoy this thing. In fact, my daughter uses it with me. We both use it. I prefer my scrubs with very fine micro scrubbing particles. I don't like chunky granules in my scrub because I don't think they exfoliate your skin that well. So, but this one has beautiful, nice, fine exfoliating granules. Once you massage it on your skin, you can feel that it's not scratchy, but it's doing its job. It's doing its job really well. So I really like that Milk and Honey scrub. I really enjoy it. And the tube is really big. You get like 200 grams. That's a fat tube. The shampoo, conditioner, the hair mask, and the sugar scrub have organically sourced ingredients, like organically sourced extracts of honey and milk, which is amazing. Now let's move on to the third range, which is like another favorite of mine because of its citrusy scent. I have the body wash, liquid hand soap, and hand and body lotion. All of these are come in this 300 ml pump bottles, which is amazing because even for hand and body lotion, I always prefer packaging with pump because it's really easy to apply them, and even the shower gel has a pump. So the lemon and verbena range has lemon and verbena extracts. It has a beautiful, nice citrusy scent, which is refreshing, and it feels really nice on the skin. The hand and body lotion is very lightweight, perfect for summer. I have been using these natural skincare products from Oriflame for a long time now, and I cannot tell you how much I love the results. Especially the skincare line, it has given me, it has shown the results. My skin feels like very smooth, nice, and moisturized all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because a lot of you were asking me to do a skincare routine video. Yeah, I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.